Welcome to QuickBit number 3. In this QuickBit we're going to learn about guards and when to use them. Let's take a look at the example on screen. We create dictionary containing some user information. We've got some logic in order to ask if the player can be let inside the casino. We make sure the player is not banned from the casino. Only people that have a name starting with an S are let into a casino. And we make sure the person is over the age of 18. And we have to make sure they've got some money to spend. Otherwise, why would we let them into the casino, right? If all these checks have been completed, we can let the player into the casino. Now let's take a look at how we can improve this code using guards and get rid of all the nested ifs. Instead of nesting if statements deeper and deeper or using many and statements, we can use guards to get rid of all the users that do not comply with our logic. Let's transform this code and use guards. Let's start by guarding for all the users that are banned. If user is banned, then we kick the user from the casino. First guard. Let's look at the second guard. If a user's name doesn't start with an S, we kick them from the casino. Get kicked. Let's add some comments. Let's create a guard for the age. If the user is below the age of 18, we kick them from the casino. Add a comment. And finally, guard the user balance to see if he's got enough cash to spend in the casino. If the user has a balance of 0 or less, we kick them from the casino. Finally, we can remove our old code. And we can let the remaining users into the casino. I hope this video on guards was useful to help you remove your deeply nested code. Check out my other videos in the description and have a nice day. Peace.